Raya is packing welcome boxes for her new families. If she packs 8 boxes, she still needs 10 more soap bars. If she packs 6 boxes, the soap bars fit exactly. How many soap bars go in each box? Pause the video. Try to figure it out. Here is a hint. Think back to the leftover trick. Last time we had extras. This time we have a shortage. The idea is the same, just flipped. Let us draw both plans. Plan A packs 8 boxes, but the supply is short by 10 soap bars. Plan B packs 6 boxes. The soap bars fit exactly. The supply of soap bars is the same in both plans. What is the gap between the two plans? Plan A has 8 boxes. Plan B has 6 boxes. So Plan A has 2 more boxes than Plan B. The first 6 boxes are the same in both plans. The last 2 boxes in Plan A are extra. The supply is the same in both plans. Plan B fills 6 boxes exactly, so the extra 2 boxes in Plan A would need more soap bars. How many more? 10. That is the shortage. So 10 soap bars would fill 2 extra boxes. Now we divide. 10 soap bars divided by 2 extra boxes. Each box needs 5 soap bars. Every box is the same, so if each extra box needs 5 soap bars, every box holds 5. Plan A and Plan B agree. The answer is 5 soap bars per box. Tokuis box. This is the shortage trick. It is the same idea as the leftover trick from before, just flipped. When 2 plans share the same supply, the shortage equals the gap times the per box amount, so group size equals the difference divided by the gap. Whether the difference is leftover or shortage, the bridge is the same. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.